Alright, just going through the forest. Everything's mossy. Really, really mossy. I'm like the only one at this particular destination at the moment, which is kind of nice. Don't have 50 kids running around my legs and everybody yelling and screaming. But it's also a little creepy. I don't know if I'm gonna... This is like a Revenant situation and a bear's gonna come out the woods here any moment. And I gotta fight him off. And you can watch on the phone later. Going up the trail, going to Sediment Dam, the Mount St. Helens Sediment Dam. I just thought I'd take a few pictures of walking through the woods. On my way there. And hopefully there's no bear or anything else to attack me.